welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important question of reasoning section, analogy part. Here first question is hematite, iron, sphalerite, question mark. So here first group is given hematite and iron. So what is the relation between hematite and iron? See here, hematite is the ore of iron. So by same logic, sphalerite is the ore of zinc. So sphalerite is the ore of zinc. So our correct answer is zinc. Here given option A is zinc. Now our next question is India, Delhi, Netherlands, question mark. So we know that Delhi is the capital of India. So what is the capital of Netherlands? So Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands. So our correct answer is Amsterdam. So here given option C. Our next question is DNWB CMVA. First group DNWB and CMVA. Second group FHKS and question mark. So what is the relation between D and C? See here D minus 1 C. Then N and M. N minus 1 M. W minus 1 P and B minus 1 A. By same logic, we get F minus 1 E, H minus 1 Z, K minus 1 J, S minus 1 R. So EZJR is the correct answer. Here given option B EZJR. Our next question is beautiful, repulsive, frequent question mark. Here given in first group beautiful and repulsive. So what is the relation between beautiful and repulsive? So repulsive is the antonym of beautiful. So what the opposite word of beautiful is repulsive. So what is the opposite word of frequent? Seldom is the opposite word of frequent. So seldom is the correct answer. Here given option B seldom. Our next question is Algeria dinner, Angola question mark. So here first group given Algeria and dinar. So dinar is the currency of Algeria. So what is the currency of Angola? Kwanza is the currency of Angola. So here given option A Kwanza. So our correct answer is option A.